Very good day, my dear students. Today we'll learn the further part of digital documentation. Let's see. In this part, you will study regarding the elements adding. Okay, so how you could be able to add the elements on the structure line. First, you need to place your cursor in the white field wherever you want to insert. Next, you click one of the 5 buttons that are just below, and then after adding it, to add a tab stop, click the tab stop button. A button representing new element appears on the structure line. Note that if you insert a hyperlink, you must indicate both the beginning and end of the link. For example, to change the default structure line so that the chapter number and the next entry text is whatever the information you are typing, that to be changed. Okay, on the structure line, place your cursor on the white field on the left of E button. Next, click the hyperlink button and LS button representing the start of the hyperlink, and on the structure line, place your cursor in the white field to the right of the E button and then click the hyperlink button again. Now next, how to apply the character styling. So after doing this, you will find what to apply the character style to an element. On the structure line, click the button that represents the element to which you want to apply style. From the character style drop down list, select the desired style. Writer applies the selected style to the deselected element, and to view or attribute of the character style, select the style from the character style drop down list. Now how to apply characters to all outline levels. So to apply the displayed structure and formatting to all outline level, click all button. Using the style tab, use the style tab picture is illustration. To apply paragraph style to the table of content, you can apply different paragraph style to each outline level of the table. Okay, see, by this you could be able to apply. You can see that this is your table, and through which you could be able to add some illustrations. To apply paragraph style, in the level list box, see, these are the level list box. Select the desired outline level by clicking it. Whatever the level you want, you can apply it. And in the paragraph style, see, this is the paragraph style. Click the paragraph style whichever you want and click the button to apply. Okay, after doing this, you need to click on apply and then click on OK. To remove paragraph in the level list, select the desired outline level by clicking it. Like suppose you have clicked content row, so again you need to click on content row, then it will be removed. Okay, next is here, using the background tab, use the background tab picture. Okay, so in that, what happens, like you can see the illustration over in this figure. Adding color, to add color to the background, simply click the desired color whatever you want. So when you click here, so simply you need to click on the color, that which color you want, so background color will be changed. Okay, and then you need to click on OK, so it will be set according to that. Okay, next is here, if you want to add some graphics. Okay, so what you have to do, to add a graphic to the background on the table of the content, follow this step. From the as drop down list, you can find the drop down list here. Okay, so see, as color, so here you have to click. So from here you need to select what graphic, and when you select the graphic, the background tab display the graphic option. You need to browse here, and whatever the browse option opens, you need to select the desired picture, and then you need to set the type, like whatever the area you want, position you want, or title you want. If you want the position, then you need to select the position, which position you want, or area, then it will select the desired area, or the tile, so it will select the tile area. Okay, so according to that, the background will be set. Next, similarly, if you want to delete the color or graphic, from the as drop down list, select the color and click no fill on the color grid. Now to save the table of contents so that the table appears in your document, click OK. The insert closes and the table of contents appear in your document. Next is maintaining a table of component. Editing a table of component. To edit an existing table of component, click anywhere in the table of contents and then right click. The context menu appear. From the context menu, choose edit index or table. The index table or table window opens, and you can edit and save the table using the 4 tabs described in your previous chapters. Okay, next, like updating a table content. Okay, just need to context menu and then update the table content. If you want to delete it, then the content where you are writing, then right click and context menu appear. From the context menu, choose delete or index table. The writer deletes the table of contents. Okay, Next is here implementing the mail merge. So printing mailing labels. Before beginning this process, note the brand and type of labels you intend to use. Preparing for printing, choose file new labels. On the option tab, ensure the synchronization content option is selected. On the label tab, select the database table, select the brand of label to be used, and then select the type of label. If you unable to identify your label product in the list, then you can define the labels by using what? Select the user setting, the type selection box. Type selection box will be available. Click on the format tab of the label dialog, and the default settings are shown in like this. Okay, so according to that you need to see this is the label content. According to that you need to set the database table, that database field if there is any, and then you need to click on new document. Okay, so by this you could be able to set your mail merge printing settings. Okay, now next you can now save your label template. If you likely to use it again, click save, and the save label dialog that opens, enter the name of your label brand and then click OK. See, this is the label brand you need to click, and then OK. The click labels tab, click on the drop down arrow. Under the database field, select the first field to be used. Okay, the first field to be used, and if you want to add some other field, then you need to add up other fields as well. So continue adding field and insert the desired punctuation, spaces and line breaks until the label is composed. Okay, so according to that you need to add some contents. So see, this is my contents by which I have added my fields. Okay, now the click new document will be open, and you have a new single page containing this all frames, whatever you have framed or fields which you have chosen. Okay, if you want to remove that blank lines from the label, then first ensure the label frames are showing the field contents or not, and then you need to click on Ctrl plus F9 or go to view and then field name to toggle the view, and then you need you can even delete that content if you don't want. And from the menu bar, the non-printing characters icon on the standard toolbar appears. This type of uh, like characters are appearing, so you will see that address field separation is created by line break rather than the paragraph, as the separation of blank address fields depends on the hiding paragraph, not lines. Okay, next is here uh, click again at the end of first paragraph to be conditionally. Suppose like you have framed it, then you need to insert the fields if you want to insert by doing the same task whatever you have done in the previous one. Okay, next is your printing option. So choose file, then print, then message will be opened, then yes to print, then the mail merge dialog will be opened, and then print all records or selected records if you want. Okay, so by this you could have printing your mail merge part. Okay, so this is all about your uh, digital documentation. Thank you.